Hello guys, how you doing today? Thank you. You're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And today I'm going to be showing you how to seamlessly edit in a vertical mode of CapCut.
It's LOG baby.
So you don't have to, this is the default mode of CapCut, and this area is supposed to be where you're supposed to like view, like you play your stuffs and also there's a better way to see a full screen of what you're doing. Although this is like this is actually cool, you can see, but it's small. So CapCut now has a layout for you to edit vertically, so you can see what you're doing fully. So what you just have to do is to come to the menu icon here. You come to layout, then you come to vertical. It's going to prioritize your player to be vertical. So I'm just going to click on that now, and now I have my output here. Can't you see that it looks way bigger? It looks way better. So if I'm going to be editing vertical videos, I'll just leave this here. And then if I want to be editing like horizontal videos, and I can choose to leave it on default settings. All right, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be posting more clips and hacks on CapCut PC. Please subscribe and then hit the like button. Share this video to people you think may need it. All right, thank you very much for watching this video up until now. Till my next video. See you guys. Bye.